Little cool down after that racing here, hour and a half ride. I guess when I tightened down the transmission hose last week, it stopped the leaking, which is nice. Just keep monitoring that, but give it a few minutes to cool off here, and we are all set. She's running good. Alright, good morning guys. Good morning, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be more of a vlogging style video as we're going to a Saab Convertible Fest in upstate New York, and it's not really all the way upstate actually, just like whatever, an hour north of where I am in Jersey. So let's go check it out. It's gonna be all Saab convertibles. I'm pretty excited to see what's out there, the talent that's there, things that have been done, and see the community. So let's check it out. We'll see how vibrant the Saab community is 2019. All right, let's enjoy this beautiful ride. Exit off Kingston exit off 87 here. Let's see where we go next. Ooh, flower pots.
Slight right toward New York 28 West, then slight right onto New York 28 West.
Alright. Car's running really good. Car is running really good. I'm really happy about it. I did put a throttle body in it, and I did replace the check valve. All those that video content will probably go up after this one. So if you want to know how to do that job, you can.
Use the right lane to take the US 209.
The car's got some punch back, which is nice.
Continue for 8 miles.
Kind of ripping these turns here in front of traffic. It's a beautiful ride, guys. New England, if you've never been up here, the Vermont, Maine, Massachusetts, New York, all of this is all very hilly, mountainous, beautiful, beautiful land. So if you've never been to this part of the country or this part of the world, for sure a good trip to take. There's a lot of camping trips, so if you come, a lot of camping grounds, so if you come during the summer or whatever, road trips, besides New York City, it's beautiful. This is more beautiful than New York City. That's my opinion though. So anyways, we're almost there. Stay tuned. See ya in a few minutes. Gorgeous out here, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. It is sunny, as you can see, and it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit right now currently. Perfect top-down weather. Got this windscreen back here with the windows up, a little air conditioning going. very comfortable in this cabin. I love nice days like this. That's what life's all about. The sign said Saab convertibles only. So I think we found the right spot here, guys. This is pretty cool over here. It's an airport. Everybody's just hanging out. It's alright, guys. We're at the show. It's been really a great success here. We have a lot of people out here with their tops down. Got a couple really awesome 900 Saabs here. Turbos. Check this out. SPG. Look at this thing. These guys have it really nice and clean. This thing's worth a ton of money. This has 67,000 miles on it. Check this thing out. Nothing better than having some airplanes taking off, landing every couple minutes here, next to some Saabs. Check out this aero spec here. So this car here, this next 900 Turbo, hold on. This guy rebuilt this car 10,000 miles ago. Check this out, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice workmanship. He said he pulled the engine out, had everything repainted inside, so it's all repainted in the engine bay, as you can see. Nice and clean. Original airbox. Painted, gorgeous car. So we've also, of course, been helping some people here. This car has a check valve problem, which is a common failure. So make sure you always check your check valves. So that guy's gonna fix that. Over here, we have a 1999, I believe it is. This guy here has a convertible top problem. So we helped him fix that. Then over here we have a 99 convertible T5. And this gentleman here, I helped him understand how to replace the belt tensioner and the belt pulley. So of course I've been helping everybody out and it's great. Some beautiful cars here. So we'll see you soon. Just wanted to show you this. Gonna go live on the channel. Cool. Some more Saabs coming through. Traffic, and as you see, put the top up because it is scorching hot out there. It's 91 degrees and hot and sunny. I haven't really drank much and I haven't eaten anything, so yeah, I was feeling the air conditioning. Anyways, it was pretty cool going to that Saab event. I was able to help quite a few people with some of their Saab things, questions, problems, concerns. It's a cool community to see everybody out there. I think they ended up probably about 50 people at this event, which is a small event. And it's at an air show. There's an air show, I missed it, but it's all good. But it's pretty cool, it's pretty fitting. Nice to see some people, meet some people, and see what the community is currently all about. And there's some young kids that are getting into Saabs, which is kind of nice to see. It tells me that there'll for sure be some longevity to this hobby and some cool cars. Somebody told me with one of the Saab 900s that a lot of people in Sweden right now are not only paying a premium, but are also paying to ship these 900s back to Sweden as collectibles as they're shooting up and skyrocketing. So just a little secret, heads up to those who have a 900 from like the late 80s, early 90s. turbo, of course. The turbo ones seem to be fetching a premium. So if you got one in the States and you're looking to move it and make some money on it, there's a market right now. Just a little FYI for you, something that I was told. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my drive off here. It's a few minutes left to home. Did fairly well on gas. This tank saw about 100 miles of local driving this week, so I would say that if it was a straight highway drive, I would have gotten closer to 400 miles to this tank versus the 300 marker. We're at 310 right now, 309. So still really good on gas. Just keep sabbing. If you guys haven't subscribed yet to the channel, there's some cool things underway that I won't release until I know it's real. But stay tuned, subscribe, give me a comment below and a like, and of course, as always, I appreciate your support. So thanks for watching.